What are you doing with the knife?
What's wrong with her?
Brussels beans?
Brussels beans.
Brussels sprouts, and these are green beans. You're mixing the two. Chop, 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 chop. Peel it off. Start from the top. Start from right here. So now start peeling this way. Okay. Do it right then. Look, you taking the good part off. Good job. Drizzle it everywhere. Go, 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 go. Who's next? Spread it out. Pour it everywhere. Oh, okay.
I want to spread it out.
You kind of miss your chance. Just pour it. Hold your hand. It's gonna fall through. I'm not gonna burn you. Brussels sprouts. She's about to eat all the Brussels sprouts. Dude. I like that you like it. Go ahead. Just pour it out. She ate a lot of it. Hot. Hot.